What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to Tonga's um, the um, the surprise and eyes, and I'm trying to make this video quick because we're out of town, and we're out of town, and we're trying to get back home to Raleigh. So um let's just go ahead with the video. Um let's just go ahead with the video.
Sir Topham Thai had asked Tongass to this very meeting spot, much to his confusion. "You wanted to talk to me, sir?" Tongass asked as he pulled up to the station. "Now, Tongass, this isn't easy for me to tell you, but times are changing. It's hardly efficient to keep aged, broken-down locomotives like yourself from the previous century maintained." Tongass appeared distraught. "Have I not been doing a good job, sir?" he asked. The obese controller pondered for a moment before answering. "You know what, Tongass? It's fine. Forget I said anything. We've been preparing a special surprise for you for being such a splendid worker." "Really? Oh, what a wonder-tastic day!" Tongass exclaimed with glee. Tongass followed the obese controller to where his special surprise had been prepared. "Sir, I hate to pry, but this looks more like a giant mass of ravenous living tissue than a special surprise!" Tongass screamed as his front wheels were dangled over the edge of the flesh pit. "Your surprise is early retirement and subsequent absorption into the glorious mass. You'll be happier this way. I think we all will," spoke Topham calmly. Tongass was pushed all the way over the edge and descended into the creature's claws.
Um um that that was um that was a video. A video a video a video a video um and let me know in the comments, just let me know if you like it, and I will see you guys on the next video.